A wonderful day today. Today is wonderful day. So many was in pandemic situations and different situations we have. So I came you front of you some tell you a second wave of coronavirus of a disease. A second wave of coronavirus disease is happened to so many causes in our life. Employment, unemployment are working uneducated, or so many members are we getting facing monetary problems. What are the problems? They are not earning a good salary and are not helping their family, and they're very in situation, very bad situation. One thing I want to say for everything, please kindly listen to your brain. Please, I tell you only few points to your brain, and please recognize your brain and keep it on your brain and feed in your brain. Yes. What are that? What the since that the points are the points are of a COVID-19 syndrome. You should mask must be compulsory to your face, not half masters. Keeping up to a tier of a off to your face cut to your mask. Mask must be completed complete full to your face, and that is the first reason. The second reason, you should maintain minimum 200 of ml of sanitizer section bottle compulsory. You are traveling somewhere or something. In your home, you have in a home readiness, you should maintain really 1000 liters of 1000 ml of sanitizer bottle. Yes, compulsory we needed this one. Next, third precaution. Daily we should drink a humidity powers of a juices of ready meals. Compulsory this is important for the second wave of corona disease virus. So this virus can be produced in a different ways, not only in wearing the mask and not maintaining sanitizer. This is not a compulsory to stop the coronavirus. If you sitting a side and side and beside also, the coronavirus will be coming. One more thing, a person who have corona will be not telling that we have corona, I have positive. He'll be telling I am negative only. So keep it one thing with you. Please, if you are a person of humanity of living on the earth and living on the earth, please maintain social distance everywhere. If you have a close friend also, telling him to maintain social distance, and your family members, and you make a separate room for your separate room for you. Yourself you should be contaminated like a lockdown and self instructions about yourself only. Why? Because if you happen a second wave coronavirus to enters to your body, you will spend of lack of money. If you needed this one, a lack of money, your parents or your burden, you will be burdened. You should be in minimum 9 days. Body instructions what will give? It should be 9 days or 18 days or 21 days or 25 days. You should be on the home quarantine. This possible for you? This needed for you now? No. So please maintain social distance, and please take a good precautions to not enter into the second wave of coronavirus. See, avoid to go to the main functions and marriages, whatever the home readiness. Please, you are going to the villages, stop the going to the villages. If you are going to the somewhere other tourism or other places, please first go to the COVID test centers and test what the result is coming, positive or negative. After coming negative, we can be survive. But if you come positive, be in a homes only, or in join a hospital immediately. But you not go to the outside. Why? Because if you go to the outside, you respect to the lakhs of people and crores of people. Now we can see death rate so many daily in Telangana or India, minimum 3 to 3 lakhs. You can see per month. One more thing, not only this one, such kind of so many things are there. If you are not taking the care of coronavirus second wave, you are going to self lockdown or any good instruction. Already we have all our states of India, we are maintaining with carrying with night curfew. So till now we are also going to very soon in lockdown. So don't make it that a lockdown situation. Okay, if lockdown situation happens, what happens? Our economy will be imbalanced. After our economy will be imbalanced, we can't earn the money to learn in the society. So that's why I'm telling you. So please, everyone, maintain social distance and wear the mask and maintain with your sanitizer bottle. Don't touch anyone. Really, your father or your home mates or your mother or anyone. Please don't touch anyone, because will be contaminated any virus. Please, after coming to your home, wash your hands and legs, your face, and very neatly twice and thrice time. When you are eating the food, wash 4 to 5 times. You are eating the food. This is must. You are drinking the water is good for the a corona disease virus also. They are scientific. They are proving water can be drink minimum 11 liters daily, and immunity power juices daily 2 times. 2 glasses must be taken. Okay, you maintain a good food and good diet in this corona. Why? Because it is not adapted to our body. Thank you for giving this opportunity for